angels, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new and this is the first time you're ever seeing my face. And my name's Tara. I post makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel, so if that's something that tickles your fancy, then please stick around, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, join the family. Yeah, so basically in today's video, guys, I filmed dyeing my hair and doing my brows all ready for Pride, which is in 10 days. I cannot believe it. I'm sorry there haven't been, I normally post 2 videos a week, but I haven't really been in the right frame of mind, if that makes any sense at the minute. My face is all breaking out, it's having a little crisis, it's having a little moment, and it's really bothering me. I mean, spots don't bother me in general, but these are like massive craters on my face and I don't normally break out this bad. But that being by the by, it's probably a bit PMT, a bit of, you know, TMI, bit of time of the month, but it'll pass and we'll move on from it. I'm going to be dyeing my hair today. I have just finished work, so I look hell of a mess, but what can you do? Life is life. Anyway, guys, I hope you're all doing well, and yeah, we're just gonna dye my hair. So I've been dyeing my hair for years, and I would basically, a bit of advice is basically, if you are dyeing your hair at home with a box dye for the very first time, as you would in a salon, make sure you do a patch test either behind your ear or on your wrist for 24 hours. If you haven't had an allergic reaction, then I'd say you're good to go. I'm not a hairdresser, so don't come at me saying you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't do this. This is what works for me, guys, so you know, it is what it is. I basically put on a t-shirt, and any old t-shirt that you're not afraid to get hair dye on because it will stain your clothes. And if you're under 16, then I would ask permission of your parents to dye your hair. I'm not promoting dyeing hair whatsoever in this video. So with all that said and done, like I said, I'm not a hairdresser. This is just what works for me. I've been dyeing my hair for a good 7-8 years, and black is what I prefer. I have had it all the colours of the rainbow. I've had it blonde, purple, blue, you name it, I've had it in my hair. You will need like a little pot like this. This is like 89p from Home Bargains, so it does its job. So basically, let's just get into doing my hair. So this hair is about 5 days since I've last washed it. It's disgusting, it's really like, oh, but yeah, the regrowth, I mean, I can't go to Pride looking like that. So I'm going to take my wet brush. This is just the Wet Brush Pro, I got it from Beauty Bay. I'm just going to brush through my hair because you don't want any knots or anything in your hair when you're dyeing your hair, because it might not like grip to the hair as good and like not dye it as good. So you want to give it a good brush and just make sure all the lugs and everything are out. The hair dye I'm going to be using today is the L'Oreal Paris Colorista paint. I did used to like the Schwarzkopf Lives, but they're like a semi-permanent. These are permanent colour, and I just want my hair to look fabulous because in 10 days I'm going to Pride, and I really cannot wait to take you guys along with me. So yeah, I'm just going to pop this on, and what I like to do is like part my hair down the middle, and then just taking a regular hair tie, I'll tie one side of my hair. And I normally just like use one box for like this side of my hair and another box for this side of my hair. So that is what we're going to be doing. But before I do that, I like to do the part in the middle so that can be like working first. So they do have gloves in the box, but I've got really small hands and the gloves that they put in there are too big and they always flop about and get everywhere. So I just use some of these latex gloves. You can buy these in Home Bargains and they're so cheap. cheap. They were like £1 for 100 or 500, something like that. So yeah. So when you open the box, you have the colour, which is this one. You have the developer, which is this one. I always have like a bag in the sink just to put all my bits and bobs in there so it's not getting all over the place. And then in the little bag you have this little bottle of conditioner and the brush. And then in the box as well you'll get the instructions. So you'll get a little pamphlet with instructions on. And basically, if you want an overdone look, so that's an all over, it tells you how long you've got to keep it on for. You can do an ombre look where you just do it down from the bottom. You can just do the roots, the touch-ups, which is this. But today, guys, I'm doing the all over because it's been about 2.5, maybe 3 months since the last time that I dyed my hair. So I'm just gonna show you what to do. So you get this one and you pop, it's got like a little cap inside and you just pierce it. And you just pour that into your bowl. Just make sure you get all of it out. I'm just going to pop it down so I can get the remainder into the bowl. Take your little developer bottle, open that, and then pour that into the bowl as well. So you're basically going to be mixing this all together. And then you just take your little brush and you give it a mix and just mix it all together until it starts forming the colour. So make sure you mix it really, really well. And if this is the first time that you are dyeing your hair, then I would advise basically just doing a patch test to make sure that you're not allergic to it, because you know it's the best thing to do if you're first dyeing your hair, like it's the first time that you're doing it. So like I say, I'm not a hairdresser, so this is just what works for me, and I have been dyeing my hair for a long time. So now when it looks a bit like that without tipping it out the bowl, so when it looks a bit like that, I'm just going to take what's ever on the brush and I'm going to pop it onto my parting to start with. And then like the baby hairs at the front. And then I section the hair, so I just take a section, roll this bit up, and then take a clip and just clip that out of the way, and then I'm just working with this bit of hair, and I am doing the whole of my hair, so I'm going to be covering this all in the formula, the hair dye. So I'm basically just going to speed through this bit, guys, because this bit is very boring. So I'm just going to play a nice bit of music and enjoy. Hey Google, set timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes, starting now.
So I normally leave this on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off. So while we're waiting for that, I thought that I would show you guys how I do my eyebrows. I dye my eyebrows myself at home. So I thought I'd just show you. So yeah, don't think they need plucking or anything at the moment. They seem to be the shape that I want them. So the stuff that I use to dye my eyebrows is the Isla, and this is the dye brow kit, and I get it in dark brown. This lasts up to 6 weeks, so it's really good. And yeah, I'm just going to show you exactly how I do that. So you get the cream colour, which is this little tube, and I normally just put a bit in. It tells you centimetres and all that, but I just put stuff in and then mix it about and hope for the best. So like I say, I am not a professional any way, shape or form. I mean, I look crazy right now. And I would suggest, like, you know, when you're dyeing your hair at home or anything, always have a designated towel to use. I have this one, I've used it for years, and it's dingy as anything. So I put about that much of the coloured cream in there. Then you get the activator, which is in this little bottle, and I just put a few drops, probably about 5 or 6 drops, into the mixture. So about that much. Like I say, it's probably too much. And then I just give it a good mix with the little spoon thing and make it nice and creamy. The first time I did this, I was absolutely terrified because I thought, oh my god, my brows are going to look horrendous. But to be honest, it's really easy once you get used to using it. To do is just brush through. You get a little spoolie with it as well. And I just like to brush through my hairs with this. And then the same spoolie, I just pick up the product, roll it around in the product, and brush that through the hairs. And then what I'll do is I'll get a baby wipe and I'll just go around the edges and just have my... So it's like that, just like a normal brow. Yeah, I'm gonna let this cook on my head and my brows for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be right back, guys. So this is my hair completely done now, guys. I don't like to put too much heat on it after I've dyed it, but it's done, all the roots are done, and the eyebrows are exactly the way that I like them. So yeah, normally I just let it air dry. I have blow dried it a little bit, but I normally let it air dry, to be honest, after I've dyed it, because obviously dyeing it and then putting a lot of heat on it is not really good for your hair. So normally I'll just put it in a bun and just let it air dry. So if you did like this video and you like these types of videos, then let me know by giving me a big thumbs up and I'll do more. There are a few more prepping, getting ready for Pride videos that are coming up. I'm going to be doing what I'm taking, so I'll be packing, so I want you to come pack with me for Pride, and I'll be doing my own nails at home. I'm going to be trying to give myself a pedicure and do that, and yeah. So I want obviously you guys to be involved, and I'm also obviously going to be taking you to Pride with me. I'm going to be doing having a tan done next week as well, so obviously I can't take you in to the tan and get that done, but I can obviously show you a before and after. So yeah, that's it. This is where the video is going to end. Sorry I haven't done any makeup in this video. I'm not usually like this, but my skin is just really playing up at the moment, so I just wanted it to be a little bit free. Sometimes I do that, and yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up. I love you all and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Love you, bye.